In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use clipping masks to enhance your design projects. Clipping masks are a versatile feature that can add creative flair by allowing you to control the visibility of your artwork. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, understanding this tool can open up a world of possibilities in your creative projects. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First things first. Let's orient ourselves with the Layers panel, where all the magic happens. For this technique, the key is in the positioning of your layers. Place the object you want to mask below the mask shape within the Layers panel. This means that the object you want to reveal should be positioned underneath the shape that will define the visible boundaries. Think of this shape as a window through which you can see only the parts of the object you choose. Once your layers are correctly ordered, you have a couple of options to proceed. One straightforward method is to drag the layer you want to mask onto the thumbnail of the mask shape layer within the Layers panel. As you do this, keep an eye out for a blue highlight. This is a visual indicator that your layers are set to clip together. Releasing the mouse at this point will effectively create the clipping mask. Alternatively, if the shape you intend to use as a mask is directly above your target layer, there's another simple approach. Just right-click on the top layer, which is your mask shape, and select Mask to Below from the context menu. This is essentially a shortcut that directly applies the desired clipping effect. Once you've set up your mask, you'll notice that only the segments of the target layer that fall within the boundaries of your mask shape remain visible. This is the core function of the clipping mask, allowing for precise control over what part of the layer is displayed. An excellent aspect of using clipping masks is the flexibility they offer. You can still edit and move both the mask and the target layers independently of one another. This means if you decide to change the positioning or even transform the mask shape, the target layer will be updated accordingly, maintaining the mask effect. As you practice using clipping masks, you'll find they are an indispensable tool for creating complex, visually appealing designs with ease. The ability to harness this feature can significantly improve the quality and creativity of your work, so don't hesitate to experiment and see where it takes you. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your design skills.